This is a completely free method, so you don't need to invest any money to get started. This is available all around the world, and in this video, I'm going to guide you guys through exactly how to accomplish this. How you can actually click on buttons with your phone and make a lot of money. And towards the end of the video, I'll show you some tips that will allow you to double the money that you earn with this method when compared to other individuals. So make sure you stay around until the end of this video and watch it all the way through while paying attention. But before we carry on, I want to say hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money every single day. Be sure to subscribe to our channel because we post videos every day with new and fresh methods that you can try out and use to make money online. Also, if you really want to help the channel, you can click the like button and leave us a comment down below. And now, without any further ado, let's get right into the method. So first and foremost, the website that we'll be using today to click buttons and earn money is called hatchful.shopify.com. Basically, on this website, you can make gorgeous logos by using all of the done-for-you templates. Now look at this. These are all the designs and templates. They are both stunning and professional, and we can use all of these logos for free to generate a lot of money online. For example, one logo can be sold for $20 or $25, and you can make around $250 for 10 logos. You can earn $750 for creating 30 logos, and this is completely mind-blowing. And keep watching because I'll show you precisely how you can make all of this money right here and how you can find easy customers for this job. So once you've earned your money, you can cash it out using Paytm or PayPal Payoneer. And there are a lot of other payment choices, and I'd like you to leave a comment below. Tell me, what kind of payment methods is your preferred one or is working in your country? Now I'll teach you how to make the whole professional logo with just 2 clicks of a button. And also, you don't need any technical knowledge, you don't need any design experience, and you don't have to be a designer. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to do this. So let's take a look at this. You can generate beautiful logos like this one with only a few clicks and no design knowledge required. So by using this free website, you can save a lot of time and money because it's completely free to use and requires no experience. I like this website since there are so many templates, hundreds and hundreds of distinct templates that can be used in a variety of businesses. Now, the more sectors you can assist in creating a logo for, the more opportunities you will have to make money from those logos. On their website, you can see that there's a variety of testimonials, good feedback, and reviews from various people. They love this website as well as the logos. When you get to this website, all you have to do is click on this button right here where it says get started. From there, you will be redirected to this page where you should keep an eye out because you can make a lot of money with these logos. So first things first, you have to select an industry category: fashion, health and beauty, home and garden, and so on. In this video, I will give you an example from the technology industry. When you select this industry, you proceed by clicking the next button. From there, you can select a variety of visual styles, for instance, bold, peaceful, dependable, classic, and so on and so forth. You don't have to pick just one. Instead, you can select from a variety of designs and styles. Assume that I want to design a logo in a serene manner or peaceful manner that is timeless and, in this case, futuristic. The maximum number of options available on this step is 3, so you can select 1, 2, 3 styles right here as shown. And then click on the next button. And if you like this video so far, please like the video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to help us. So for the next step, you have to include your company name as well as a tagline. For example, for the business name, I will simply use the channel's name, which is EarnPal, and for the slogan, I typed in Make Money Online 2021. Everything on this website can be customized and edited. This website makes it so simple that literally anyone, even people with zero skills, can actually make gorgeous logos and convert them into real money. Remember that we can convert each and every logo that we want into genuine money, so make sure you stick around to the end to figure out how to do it. After entering the company name and the tagline, I simply click on the next button. So as you can see, we have to choose from these categories to inform us where the logo will be used. For example, online stores, websites, social media, print, and so on. So you can choose from multiple categories. Let's say if I want to use this logo for social media purposes, for an online store or website, or maybe for my physical store, I will just click on the next button. Look at this. This website is able to create a lot of stunning logos in just 3 simple steps, just a few clicks of a button, and from there I can just go around and search for other logos that I like, and each of these logos can be converted into real money. And there are so many other possibilities available to me. If you don't like any of these designs, simply go back, change the style and settings, and they'll begin to actually generate different types of designs for you. And you can simply rinse and repeat the process. For example, if I want to customize this logo, I can do so by clicking on the logo right here, which will lead me to this page where I can further edit and customize everything I want. I can modify the company name, I can modify the tagline, I can also change the color, and let's pretend that if I change the name to something else, that will show up right here. So to all my subscribers that are still watching, I really love you guys. Carry on so you can know how to use this logo to actually make money online. And by clicking on the fonts right here, we can change the font of the text. Look at all these distinct font styles. For example, if I want to choose this one, I will choose it depending on the canvas design. You don't need any design skills. As you can see here, you just click on different options, different pictures, different fonts, and maybe this one for different colors. And as you can see, all of these colors, I'll choose blue because that's my favorite one. So you can see how this starts to look like. It's very simple, and I believe that anyone watching me right now can do this. So whenever you're done with the logo customization, just click on the next button. So have a look at this. Congratulations on your new logo, and you may get the logo for free. And in a moment, I'll show you guys how to turn these logos into actual money just by clicking buttons. So for example, if you want to download this logo, you can do so by clicking on this button right here. After that, you have to make an account so you can join for free. It doesn't ask you for any money or anything at all. After that, you can just get it for free. All you have to do to make an account is just enter your email address, your password, and then click on the register button. And that's pretty much it for creating and designing logos on hatchful.shopify.com. By simply clicking on a few buttons, you can accomplish this in seconds. So for the next step now, we're gonna look at how we can convert the logo into real money. So right now, I'd like you to go to twitter.com. If you don't already have a Twitter account, you can create one for free. It takes less than 1 minute and it's very easy to do. And guys, leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you already have a Twitter account. Is Twitter something that you usually use? Leave that in a comment down below. So right here on Twitter, after logging in, I want you to search on this platform using the search bar. I'd like you to enter the keyword I want a logo or I need a logo, and then hit the search button. From then, everything falls into place. Look at this. You can find all of these people. They're looking for a logo, they're looking for a designer, and say this one is looking for a designer. They need the logo, they need a decent logo designer, and they're willing to pay. This is amazing. They need the logo since there are so many individuals, so many requests, so many consumers looking for a logo. And guess what? Yes, you can supply and sell them the logos that you just produced on hatchful.shopify.com. Take a look at how simple these business models are. Nowadays, I just do it as a side hustle. It's something you can do from home to make some money and revenue. And so this is a good place to start just by designing logos on the website for free in less than a few minutes. Then head over to Twitter to create a free account, and all you have to do is comment on their posts or tweets and tell them that you are a designer and you have logos for them. Or for example, you can say, hey, I can help you make a logo for your website, for your social media or business, so I'm charging around $30 to $35 for example, and people will actually jump on that because that's very cheap. There are so many people that are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for a single logo. But Twitter is not the only way you can use this method. The second option you have, guys, and something that you actually should do while using Twitter as well, what I recommend you do is you go to freelance websites. So for example, you have peopleperhour.com, you have Fiverr.com, which is the best one in my opinion. You have freelancer.com, you have Upwork, and go to all of those freelancing platforms and post your ad saying that you are a logo designer, and just set up your gig, post your price, and believe me, people will actually use your services. And the more services, the more reviews you get, the more customers that you will keep getting using this method. And that's precisely how you can use logos that are already done for you to actually start making a decent income online. So if you guys found value in this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, also click on the notification bell because that helps the channel so much. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. As always, take care.